Ready to talk about business banking? Have you ever looked at your bank statement and found yourself wondering, what exactly is an ACH fee, and why am I paying it? You're not alone. In fact, for many small businesses, those small, seemingly insignificant fees for every single ACH transfer can add up to a real drain on your profits. So, what is an ACH transfer, anyway? It stands for Automated Clearinghouse. Think of it as a digital alternative to paper checks. It's how businesses pay their vendors, employees receive their direct deposits, and how you might pay your monthly bills automatically. It's a fundamental part of how money moves in the modern economy. But while they are incredibly efficient, many banks still charge fees for them, whether it's for outgoing transfers, or even sometimes, for incoming ones. And those costs, they stack up. A few dollars here, a few dollars there. Over a year, you could be spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on transaction fees that do nothing to help your business grow. What if you could eliminate that cost entirely? That's where Relay comes in. Relay is revolutionizing business banking by offering fee-free ACH transfers. This isn't just about saving a few bucks. This is about freeing up your capital. It's about taking money that would have been lost to fees and putting it back into your business. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Invest in new equipment, launch a new marketing campaign, or maybe even hire that new employee you've been needing. With Relay, you can send and receive unlimited ACH transfers without any fees. This includes all your essential business payments, payroll, vendor payments, and invoice collections. No hidden costs, no surprise charges, just simple, straightforward, and truly free transfers. It's banking that works for your business, not against it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.